Hey, it's Hannah with WTI. If you are looking for a super comfy pair of shoes, then you need to get these ones.
Classic suede clogs are something that everyone needs in their collection, and these ones from Dumalum are so perfect. I have mine in a size 9 women's, and they are perfectly true to size. So comfortable with this cushioned arch support, adjustable strap, and the color is just so perfect. I have mine in the color ginger, and it's just such a great neutral color that goes with so many things. I love being able to just slip these on for a quick jaunt out, or the fact that I can wear them all day comfortably is amazing.
I think these are the most comfortable. They are super cute and easy to dress up or down, and I would recommend them to anyone. And that's my point of view.